come down to Whiringa to hopefully go spare some kingies. I thought we'd try and catch some liveys, so if we could do a bit of fishing later for some kings as well, but catching liveys is proving pretty hard, and we just caught the tiniest wee snapper.
Yeah!
There we go, snapper.
That's a keeps.
Gotta be 30 over here, isn't it? She's on again. Oh, double hook up. He's done it. Is that a bit? Oh, that's a bit of a better one, isn't it?
That's decent.
Nice, nice. Still a good little snapper. Yep, another keeper. Beauty. What you got, eh? That's pretty borderline, eh? How good? Oh, was it get off? Oh, that's on. Tiny wee one. Oh no, he's gonna have to go back, eh? Oh, well, that one just decided to put himself back. Flopped off the side of the boat. Oh, I got a few snapper at that spot. We're gonna head to another spot now.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, he's on. There he goes.
Oh, they're right back.
Got a little snapper. Nice. Oh, just dropped them. Yeah. Oh, she's on. It's a snapper. I've just pulled up to a nice little bay. Just gonna jump in, see what I can see underwater, maybe go look for a cray or something, but see what the viz is like first.
Yeah.
Right, so jumping in the water here. The viz is probably about 6 to 7 meters, so I just cruised into the shallows and got comfortable being in the water for starters. Spent a bit of time checking under rocks and boulders looking for crayfish, but didn't find any. Just a few red moki cruising around. Making my way back to the boat, we cruised around to Danger's Rock. Yeah, just did a quick couple dives there, looking for some kingfish, but didn't seem like there was any around. There was this cool eagle ray just chilling in the water, which was cool to see. After a few dives, I made my way back to the boat and we cruised around into a little shallow bay and just mucked around in there and just enjoyed being in the water. Cracked open a few kinna to feed to the wrasse. Seen a few people do this, so I was pretty keen to give it a go myself, and this fella just came in for a feed straight away. Yeah, I don't know what happened to this wrasse. He had a bit of a cut along the top of his head. I don't know if somebody's tried to shoot him or what, but yeah, pretty strange. Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, but to me this fish here looks like a puffer fish, which I've never seen one before, so I thought it was quite cool. I can give you any Nathan, mate. Oh, it's Mau. Unreal. That's crazy, eh? After heading back to the boat, we were about to pack up and head off, but seen this big school of blue Mau on the surface. Smashing krill, I believe. Yeah, my brother was just getting in front of them and dropping me in, and did a few dives, diving straight away here. down to the school. Seen a few koheru and kahawai down there as well. These ones are just a bit out of my reach. So yeah, just keep drifting the work up and jumping in. Still didn't see any kingfish coming through. Tried to dive down a few times and shoot a few kahawai, but missed 2 shots, so didn't shoot anything today, but still cool to have a crack anyway. A bit too quick for me. Made a few attempts to dive down a bit deeper past the school of blue mau mau to see if there's any kingies lurking around, but I was having trouble equalising and staying down. Couldn't quite shoot that kahawai through all the mau mau. Probably just would have missed anyway. Yeah, although nothing was shot, it was still a good day out there on the water. Oh well, off the water now. Taught the pan on diving, started bleeding heaps out of my nose, which was interesting. Haven't done that before, but yeah, thought I'd better just stop there. But yeah, got a few snapper for dinner, and yeah, missed a few shots on those kahawai, but that's alright, that's how it goes. I'm still learning, so yeah, apart from that, midday.